In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record salary in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to enter so your payroll payments are captured accurately as expenses and line up with your bank reconciliation and reports. Start by opening Zoho Books and signing in to your organization. From the left sidebar, head to the Purchases module and choose Expenses. Even though salaries feel like an internal cost, recording them here makes sure that they're treated as an operating expense and show up correctly on your profit and loss. Next, create a new expense. Click the New button in the top right corner. This opens a clean expense form where you'll enter the details of the salary payment you've made. Begin with the expense account. Select Salaries and Employee Wages. If you don't see that exact account, create it in your chart of accounts first, so the expense is categorized correctly. Keeping the name consistent helps your reports stay clear and comparable month to month. For the amount, enter the net salary paid, the amount that actually left your bank after deductions like taxes, benefits, or advances. Those deductions are usually handled elsewhere in your payroll process. Here, you are capturing the cash outflow to the employee. Double-check the date to match the payment date. And consider noting the pay period, like August 2020. 6. Salary. In the Reference or Notes field for easy lookup later. In the Paid Through field, choose the exact account you used to make the payment. If you paid via your main business checking account, select that. If you used petty cash, choose petty cash. Matching this to the real payment account is important, so reconciliation is smooth and your account balances remain accurate. You can optionally select the employee or vendor. Adding the employee's name helps you track salary payments by person and filter or report on them later. If you are setting this up for the first time, be consistent with naming and use the same entry each month to keep histories clean. Once everything looks correct, the expense account, the net amount, the payment account, the date, and any helpful notes, go ahead and save it. Click Save to record the transaction. You'll now see this salary payment listed among your expenses, and it will flow into your financial reports and bank reconciliation as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching.